Okay, first thing you need to do is to create a new tab, and we're going to call it, so double click on there, ASCII, ASCII in capitals as it's an abbreviation, table. Hit OK or enter. Go into there, and in column B, I want you to type in caps A, B, C, D. Go all the way down to Z, leave a space, and then we're going to start again with lowercase a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o. Okay, going back to the top in column A. Now I know the denary value, the decimal value for A, is 65. I know that off the top of my head. And what we're saying is every ASCII character has a decimal value and also a binary value. So 65 and 66. A quick way of doing this now is to select both 65 and 66 and fill down with the left click all the way down to Z. And the space, this is the space bar, it's 32. Number 97 is the character A. 98 is the character B, which is a small a and b. I'm going to select those and just autofill that pattern down to the bottom. I'm going to put in NA at the bottom there. Okay, sorry, I'm going to put NA there. Okay, let's see how we get on with that then. So, we're not using all of the ASCII table. Sorry, all the ASCII characters. ASCII characters are the characters on your keyboard. And they include uppercase, lowercase, spacebar, they include characters. And as I said before, they've all got their own denary value and they've all got their own binary value. As we know, computers, that's what computers understand, is binary. Ons and offs, zeros and ones. We're going back to this tab now. I'm going to type in ASCII character. I'm going to create a little table, and underneath there, for me it's cell I10, I'm going to type in equals, and a VLOOKUP is a really clever function we're going to use now, which will be able to look up this value here. So we're looking up this value, which is our denary value, and we're going to enter in a comma. You can use this as help here. Our table array is this, so we need to click on ASCII table. Be careful not to click on anything else. I'm going to select cell A1 across to B1 and all the way down. So holding down the left click of the mouse to select all of that. Don't click anywhere else because we need another comma. And our column index number, well, we want to output column 2, which is column B. We're going to type in 2. Close your brackets and let's see how we get on with this. Does it work? Yes, it does. If our numbers, you can test this, if our numbers are too high or too low, then it won't accept it. It won't do it properly. I'm just going to go back here and type in NA there to come up with N. Not that sounds not applicable. Sorry, by the way. 227 is not Z, so it needs to be a number within the ASCII table here. So just test that and see if that works. Okay, thank you.